Today we're gonna talk about the most simple staff technique. I am a home link for 6dragonscanfu.com. If you like what I am doing, share, subscribe, like and comment our videos. In any combat situation, when there is a stick involved, it is in continuous dynamic movement. In combat, you can remain in positions where you are not able to fight as you want. For example, in this position, how could you attack an opponent that is near you? You simply have to exploit the lever principle. This is the center of the lever and this is the movement. We use this movement to give power. The lower part helps us to add power to our blow. So, the opponent is here. I have a long weapon and this makes it hard for me to attack. I simply do this. Boom. In addition to this, we add the gravity power, so we go from top to bottom. And the movement of our arm is this one. The opponent is here. Easy. Normally, from a position like this, it may appear hard to hit, but with the tip, we can do something similar to a punch. The only thing to focus on is to do not go forward, because the vibration will damage the quality of our blow. We go with the idea of moving the tip forward and moving the lower part backward. 1 and 2. In addition to this, the arm goes downward. Bam! 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 Let's see the movement on a mobile target. This way. The same technique can also be executed with the staff touching the ground, and it is more simple, especially at the beginning. This way, the lever point is not in the middle of the staff, but it is on the ground, and the movement is here, and we go here. When the staff is attached to the ground, the strength can be also bigger, because if we press down, if we push down on the ground, we can add more power. So, this way. To read more about 6 Dragons Kung Fu, weapons, training and so on, follow the link below in the description. If you are searching for a deeper and faster way to learn our Kung Fu, follow our core course. I am home link for 6dragonscanfu.com. See you in the next video. Question for you. What is the biggest difference, in your opinion, between a sword and a staff? They are both rigid weapons, but there are several differences. What is the most important for you? Answer in the comments.